I've now been with ETN, a member of ETN, for probably 10 to 12 years. And I guess it was recognized at that stage in the very early part of ETN's life that a lot of our operators saw degradation of parts and life cycle extension of parts as quite a key part of their maintenance philosophy. And as part of that, they felt they needed a forum to be able to discuss ideas of how to extend parts life, what material degradation was all about, innovative technology to repair parts and to design new parts and to look at materials. So we felt that it was quite a key part of ETN and gave us the voice to be able to discuss those sorts of issues with our members and pull out all of the technology and new ideas and new thinking that we could use within some of our research framework. The market's changed over the years, certainly as natural gas in certain markets has declined. For many years, gas turbines operated in a very base load operation where you switched the gas turbine on and it ran, and then you switched off 3 years later. That gave rise to a degradation called creep. That was fine and that was relatively easy to repair. Over the years, we've changed to peak loading and peak following, which has given rise to more cyclic fatigue issues, which are much harder to repair and much harder to sort out. So that's one of the key areas that we need to focus on, and one of the key challenges. But that's only now in Europe. It started in parts of the Middle East. We've seen it in parts of Europe. So that's one area. Hot corrosion is another area that causes a major challenge, certainly in marine environments, certainly with different fuel compositions, high in sulfur, so where we're using different fuel types, is leading to different corrosion and oxidation mechanisms. So that also leads to a major challenge in terms of part life extension and repair capabilities. Sharing information is always important in any industry. We are very insular in our thinking generally, and only look at the community, the gas turbine community, to get information. But that shouldn't stop us actually going outside of the gas turbine industry and learn from other industries, from the medical industry, from the nuclear industry and the automotive industry, and use some of the experiences that they've got in enabling us to extend parts life and look at different technologies to help us to repair parts. This year's conference has been excellent. It's been built on the 2012 conference, which enables people to look at the market and look at how research and development needs need to be developed to support a changing gas turbine market, especially in Europe. But this year we've now been able to focus more on the other markets around the world in terms of China and the US, and look at how the market has changed, certainly in the developing economies, and allow us to again learn from those markets and those research programs to see how we can help change and develop the European gas turbine market.